On the Epson printer here, let's just use the arrows to make sure we have settings selected here and then click on OK. And then on the maintenance section here, 1 of 9, let's go ahead and click on OK. And then we're going to use the right arrow to go to the third option, power cleaning. And then let's click on OK. Now you can go ahead and read through this. This just basically lets you know that the power cleaning will commence here, and it is usually recommended if you did the head cleaning earlier and it still didn't work a couple times. And then right at the bottom, it just lets you know that you have to wait 12 hours before printing. Once you've read through that, go ahead and click on OK here. Now let's go ahead and click on OK once again. Let's go ahead and click on OK to agree. And again, it should let you know that everything should be resolved within 12 hours here. Let's go ahead and click on OK. And then let's go ahead and press and hold for 5 seconds. Now the whole process should take about 11 minutes, so we'll come back and then take a look. So the power cleaning has completed here, and it gives me the final notice to let me know that it could take up to 12 hours for the print quality to improve. So once we're done, let's go ahead and click on OK, and that completes the process here. So the whole process will take you, I would probably guess, at about like 12-13 minutes, and that's how you do it.